Hi friends, hi YouTube, hi my little clowns. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup, and I'm finally wearing a look that matches my intro. I've been doing some pretty dull, basic looks as of late. This is not that. I'm a mushroom, living, breathing, and I'm loving it. So if you would like to see how I got this look, you should keep watching and subscribe because I would love to have you stay longer because I really want to get to 300. I'm really close to getting to 300 subscribers. Not really. I'm in like the 30 range. Either way, I would love to have you join my little clown parade. So, without further ado, well, let's get into it. I just got my new tripod. It's from Jan. Still learning it because I literally just opened it because mine went to shit again. So, yeah. But look at what I have. This was in our Walmart parking lot, like some like fair food trucks for whatever reason. And this is like the size of my head. And I love it, and I'm still working on it because I got it this weekend. Months ago, I said that I was gonna do a mushroom look. It ended up being a watermelon look. So I'm gonna try my little hardest today to actually do a mushroom look. So wish me luck. We're gonna use the Blend Bunny Blend palette. I'm thinking the maroon, the white, maybe a little bit of this shade right here. We're just gonna hope for the best because I want to be a little mushroom princess. Also, it is freezing cold in my room right now, so I'm just hoping for the best. Also, my hair is a greasy mess. It is what it is. Tonight is wash night. But I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Self Love. And I'm going to start by putting that into the crease area. By the way, I am going off a picture if I can find the link for it. Because I'm in like this like very cottagecore Facebook group. I will link it if I can. It's going to have to go out to this way. I need tape. Okay, I got tape. I would just like to say how like exhausted I am. Oh, actually, no, that wasn't what I was going to say. It's how sad I am, actually. Because I wore my lashes, my favorite lashes, out on a date. That didn't end up being well because men don't know how to, no consent. But I took my lashes off when we went bowling because I needed to have my glasses on a certain way. And I needed them on better. And I put my glasses, not my glasses. So I put my lashes in my little lipstick bag. And they ended up going to poop because they were still a bit gluey and stuck to something. So now I don't know what to do. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this brush off just a tiny bit. I'm going to just lightly blend these edges a little. It's been a while since I've done something artsy fartsy, a lot of fun. I am going to link that look I did before below. It is my watermelon look. It's probably, if not one of my most favorite that I've done of all my looks for my YouTube. Okay. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of that shade right there called Vexed. That brush was the Refer 14. This is the Refer 13. Again, thank you, Jan. I need to get more of these. This shade, let me look at my picture. Just gonna put that out here. Darken this up a little. That's me. Even it out. Again, going in with that Vex shade and just darkening here and a little into the crease. So I'm going to go in with a mix of this Cream and Sugar shade and maybe a little bit of Truth or First Kiss. I don't really know. Maybe First Kiss. I don't really know. I'll just start with Cream and Sugar. But putting that into that open space that I didn't touch with the red. I think I'm just going to keep only using the cream and sugar shade just because it's actually giving me the look I want. But I want to make sure that I'm keeping this cut crease-ish action going on here. I just want to say I think it would look so much better if I did have like the white eye like liner to go in here, gel liner, but I don't. So I think for right now, this is what I'm going to keep it at. I'm going to do my lashes, get stressed to help out by that, and then do the rest of the face. So, okay. So I started like cutting my lashes and I was like, oh, well, I'm going to do something else. As much as I want to do that. I'm going to take a little brush that looks like this, and I'm going to put some concealer dots on here. And then I'm going to put some white of that, the cream and sugar white shade on it. Okay. And I'll do like one right here. This looks like right now, like I just used a, what is it? A hole puncher. Also, I'm sorry if my lighting, the sun's right where it would blind me if my like curtain's like fully open. So I'm gonna dip this into that cream and sugar shade and just plop that on that. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of the under eye and go in with that Repher 13. Gosh, I might have to actually open it up soon. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that red Self-Love shade. Not a lot, but just to bring it down right here. Again, I think I would love it just a whole hell of a lot more if I was to have a white liner. I decided to go against doing the lashes. I just did some mascara with the Maybelline Sky High. Just because I'm running out of time from the sunlight. So I'm just gonna do my ColourPop sticks quick. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that blush stick right here. We're gonna go here, 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 here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna dip some sort of brush into this red right here. We're going full clown today, friends. We're going full clown today. And I'm loving it. It's really sad how much I'm loving this. Okay, so I'm going to take that brush that I did this dotting with, and I'm going to do that again. Again, I'm really running out of light here. But I hate that. I hate it so much. Okay, so I'm going to take that concealer. So this is the Run Beauty one, by the way. I don't know if I ever said that. And then I'm going to go in with that cream and sugar shade and put that all over these dots. So I have this red lipstick thing that I got in that giveaway. I honestly don't know where it's from, but it's my only red lipstick. So we're going to put it on. This honestly is like a little bit too red for the vibe that I have, but it is what it is. I'm absolutely in love with this. I don't have any highlighter on though. That's what I'm missing. Highlighter. This is the ColourPop Candy Floss Super Shock Highlight. I have the big version. So we're just gonna plop a little on right back here. Little on the nose. Some up in here. And then I'm going to blot this lipstick a little bit. And go over it with the NYX Lingerie one that I have. Just because it would fit the tones a tad bit better. Also, I blotted it because I'm lazy. I could have just taken it off, but that's not who I am right now. So this is the final completed mushroom cottagecore look, whatever the hell you want to call it. I'm loving it. I think it's super cute. And it's finally the mushroom look that I wanted to do. I ended up making a watermelon look last time, but this is like 100% mushroom. This is so mushroom and I love it. So if you like this look, I would love you if you would tell me, because yeah. But if you've made it this far, thank you so much. I absolutely appreciate it. There's a hair. Just a reminder to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. I promise you it's 110% easier to just ignore the things that you do not like, the things that you do not understand. You don't need to be hopping in people's DMs being a dick bob. Okay? Go about your life, unadd them, unfriend them, move on with your day, move on with your business. Do better things with your time and your money. Okay? Okay. And just remember to be a good person. Spread good vibes, spread healing, spread all that good stuff. And remember to not be a dick.